children, good morning. Welcome to maths class. Continuation of chapter 4, numbers up to 1000. Numbers up to 1000 means counting hundreds. 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 700, 800, 900, 10,000. Here you have to remember one thing, that is going to 10 ones equal to 10. 110. 10 tens equal to 100. Okay? 10 hundreds equal to 1000. Okay, my dear children? 10 ones equal to 110. 10 ones equal to 110. 110 means 10 ones. 10 tens equal to 100. In 100 having 10 tens. Okay? Next, 10 hundreds equal to 1000. 1000 equal to 10 hundreds. Okay? 10 is the smallest two-digit number. The smallest two-digit number is 10. The smallest three-digit number is 100. The smallest three-digit number is 100. The smallest four-digit number is 1000. The smallest four-digit number is 1000. In this chapter, we learn all hundreds. That means three-digit numbers. Three-digit numbers. Okay? Three-digit numbers. Three-digit means the number having three places. Those are ones, tens, hundreds. Ones, tens, hundreds. We are going to keep in places like this. O for ones, T for tens, H for hundreds. Okay? H hundreds, T tens, O for ones. Three-digit means the number having three places. Those are ones, tens, hundreds. We read three-digit number. Start with 100 and read together tens and ones. Suppose the given number is this. 2 is in the hundreds place, 4 is in the tens place, 8 is in the ones place. O-N-E-S ones. O-N-E-S ones. T-E-N-S tens. T-E-N-S tens. H-U-N-D-R-E-D-S hundreds. Ones place, tens place, hundreds place. We read three-digit number. Start with hundreds. 248. We read together tens place number and ones place number. Already we know what is this number? 8. Now read this number 48. Like that we follow the rule 248. 248. 248. Next one. 416. How to read this number, Nana? 416. 4 is in the hundreds place, 1 is in the tens place, 6 is in the ones place. Start with hundreds number. 416. 416. Next number. Come on. Ones place having 5, tens place having 7, hundreds place having 6. How to read this number? 675. 675. Okay, another one. Come on. Ones place, tens place, hundreds place. O for ones, T for tens, H for hundreds. Here 0 ones, 9 tens, But we read the 3-digit number start with 100. 890. 890. 890. Another one. Ones place having 7, tens place having 7, and hundreds place also having 7. 7 7 7 777 77 No. How we are going to read? 777. 777. Okay. Next one. 7 is in the ones place. 2 is in the tens place. 9 is in the hundreds place. 927. 927. Come on, read this number. 315. 315. 800. That's all. 800. Read. 491. 491. Read this number. 515. 515. Okay. Here like this we are going to read 3-digit numbers. The smallest 3-digit number is 100. What about greatest 3-digit number? It goes in 900. The last 3-digit number, that is before 1000. Before 1000. 1 less than 1000. 1 less than 1000. That number goes to this. How to read this number, Nana? 999. That is the greatest 3-digit number. Greatest 3-digit number. Now, once we are going to textbook, see, take page number 59, exercise 4A. Exercise 4A. Here some blocks are given. See, this blue color block, the big block goes to 100. This one goes to tens. This one goes to ones. Hundreds, tens, ones. In previous class I taught you. Okay, big block, hundreds block having 10 rows, 10 columns. Total goes to 100 ones. 100 equal to 100 ones. 100 ones equal to 100. 100, 200, 300, 400. How many hundreds are here? 400s. You write here 400s. Now go to tens. 1 10, 2 tens. Right here. How many tens? 2 tens. Write number 2. Now go to ones column. Only 1. Write 1 1. Okay. Here given only 1. That is going to 1. The number goes again. 1 2 3 4. Right here 400s. Right here 4. Hundreds is there. Simply you write number 4 in the dash. Now come to tens. 1 2. Write number 2. Come to ones. 1. Write 1. This is going to, what is the number, Nana? Come on, tell me. How many hundreds? How many hundreds? See, hundreds. How many? The big blocks. How many blocks are given? Count again. 1 2 3 4. Write number 4 in the blank of hundreds. Now goes to tens. 1 2. How many tens? 2. Next goes to ones. How many ones? Let us look here. How many? 1. Now what is the number? 400s. 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 2 tens. 20. 1 1. Now write the number 421. What should you get? 421. 421. Write the number name. F-O-R-2-1-1. UR 4, HUNDRED 100. No need to write and. Continue. TWENTY 20 ONE 1. Here blank is given. Here write. Number goes to 401. Sorry, 421. 400s, 400. 2 tens, 20. 111. The number we got it 421. Write the number name means write that number in words. FOUR 4, HUNDRED 100, TWENTY 20, ONE 1 421. Okay children, this is going to A, exercise 4A. Exercise 4A in our textbook. 4A means 4th chapter, first exercise. Now go to B. Count hundreds blocks and write hundreds. Come on, count hundreds blocks. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Write in the hundreds place 8. How many hundreds are there? 8. How many hundreds? Go to B question. Yes, 8 hundreds. Now going to count tens. 1, 2, 3. How many tens? 3 tens. How many ones? Count. 1, 2, 3, 4. Be careful. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many ones? 4 ones. Now tell me the number. 8 hundreds, 3 tens, 4 ones. 800, 3 tens, 30, 4 ones, 4. We get the number 834. What is the number we got it? 834. Here write number name. Here write number name. Come on. EIGHT 100. 30. THIRTY 30. FOUR 4. 34. That is the number name of this number. This is number name. 834. You also write in your textbook here. Okay? Next, go to next one, Nana. Here we are going to counting 100 blocks, tens blocks and ones blocks. Now go to next one. We are going to fill up the blanks in the same exercise. Second one, fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks. Come on, what is the first one? Which number they given? 906. How to read that number, Nana? How many? Hundreds. And okay. HUNDREDS. In the given number, how many hundreds are there? Next, how many tens are there? How many ones are there? The number having. What is the given number? 906. Ones place, tens place, hundreds place. You also keep the places above the number and write. How many hundreds, Nana? This is hundreds place. 9. Write only 9. How many tens? 0. How many ones? 6 ones. 906 having 900s, 0 tens and 6 ones. Now they are asking, write the number name. Write the number name. Number name means write in words. Write in words. Come on. Start. N-I-N-E 9. HUNDRED 100. No need to write and. 906. That's all. This is the number name of this number. 9 is in the hundreds place. 0 in the tens place. 6 is in the ones place. This number read as 906. The number name 906. Go to question B, Nana. What is the next number? 243. You have to fill up that. Come on. Write how many hundreds. First you have to keep the places above the number. Next how many tens. And next how many ones. Find. Come on, keep the places. Go. Ones, T, tens, H, hundreds. Ones means O-N-E-S, ones. Now fill up how many hundreds? 2 hundreds. How many tens? 4. How many ones? 3. Okay? We are complete the blanks. Next, write the number name. Write in words. E-W-O-2 H-U-N-D-R-E-D 100 40 F-O-R-T-Y. Don't write U, not 40. 43 T-H-R-E-E. This is the number name of given number. You here are given a space. In that space, you write neatly, my dear children. Come on, fill in the blanks. First number is 906. It has 9 hundreds, 0 tens and 6 ones. This is the number name of this number. Next one is 243. It has 2 hundreds, 4 tens and 3 ones. The number name is TWO2 HUNDRED 100 FORTY 40 THREE 3 243. Okay, go to next third Roman. Shall I write this? Okay, go to third Roman. Same exercise. Fourth chapter, first exercise. 4A means yes. Now go to the textbook, third Roman. What is the heading? Write the numerals. That means write the number. Write the numerals means write the number. Ready? First one. A. Read the words. Next word. Yes. Next. Come on. Next. Yes. This is the given number name. Numerals means write the number. Numerals means write the number. Here given number name. Number name. Number name start with 100. That means given number goes to 3-digit number. 3-digit means that number having 3 places. That number having 3 places. What are those? Hundreds, tens, ones. Hundreds from left side onwards. Hundreds, tens, ones. Now come to number name. 400. That means 4, number 4 right in the hundreds place. Here 4. 30. THIRTY. 30. 3 tens. 3 right in the tens place. 1 digit number right below one's place. Now that is numeral for 431. Understood? Numeral means number. You write the numeral for the given number name. Number name, spelling. Number, figure. Okay, understood? Go to next one, Nana. B. Read the words. Yes. Very good. Next word. Yes. You are very fast. Next. Yes. Continue. Yes. Now read together full spelling. 963. Again put the places. Hundreds, tens, ones. O-N-E-S, ones. The number start with 100. That means 3-digit number. 900. 9 right in the hundreds place. SIXTY 60. 6 tens. THREE 863. Numeral or number same. Okay? 963. Go to C. Come on, read the words. Yes, 600. Very good. Continue, Nana. 600. Yes, 19. The given number name is 619. 100. Then this number also goes to 3-digit number. Put the columns, places, hundreds, tens, ones. Columns or places. Now we write the numeral. Numeral means number. 600. That means 6 right in the hundreds place. 19. 110. 9 ones. 110. 9 ones. That means 1 right in the tens place. 9 right in the ones place. That is going to 619. Are you clear? Next D. Tell me. Yes. 800. Good. 800. Come on, read, Nana. Yes. 71. Write the numeral. Write the number for this number name. Again, keeping hundreds, tens, ones. 800. 8 right in the hundreds place. 70. 7 tens. 1 digit number. This is belongs to this number name. Here spelling, here figure. 871. These are number names, numerals. Number names, numbers. Okay? How to read the 3-digit number? How to write the number name? How to write the numeral? Go to next one, Nana. Fourth one. Very easy. Be active and put interest. Yeah? Then you get perfection. Now fourth Roman. Here we are going to do encircle the number that comes just after the numbers given below. Encircle. Encircle the number that comes just after. That means here we are going to circle the number which comes after of the given numbers. Given number is 472. How to read this number, Nana? Yes. Come on, read this number. Good. Come on, read this number. Yes. Next one. Come on. Yes. Next one. Yes. Now we are going to, the given number is 472. Here given 4 options. In the 4 numbers, which is after number of this number? Which number comes after 472? What is the first number? 192. No. 587. No. 690. No. 473. Given number is 472. The after number of this number is 473. Okay? Go to next B. What is the given number? Very good. Now read the options. Yes. Next number. 862. Next. 258. Good. Next. 720. Okay. What is the given number? 861. Here 4 numbers are there. Which number comes just after 861? Come on. Yes, very good. 862 is after number of 861. Okay, 862 is after number of 861. This is going to the number which comes just after the given number. After means next number. Understood, my dear children? Go to next Roman 5. Okay. Go to Roman 5. That means question number 5. Ready? Okay. Right. Read 3 numbers. Very good. Write 3 numbers. When we are going to fill up blanks or solving problems, first see the heading. 3 numbers that come after. That means the 3 after numbers of given number. Write 3 numbers that come after the following numbers. We are going to do in the textbook. Write 3 numbers that come after. Underline 3 numbers after. First number is, yes, this is the given number. Write 3 after numbers of this number. Come on, 362. Very good. 363. Next, 364. Very good. Next, 365. These are after numbers of this number. Here changeable number is ones place number. 2 after 3, 3 after 4, 4 after 5. 362, 363, 364, 365. Go to B. What is the given number? 574. Write 3 numbers which comes after 574. Come on. Yes, very good. 575. Very good. Next, 576. Very good. 577. After means next number. We are writing forward. C. 193. The 3 numbers which comes after 193. Yes, 194. Very good. 195. Very good. 196. Here asking 3 numbers that come after. Next one, D. What is the given number? 845. Write 3 numbers after 845. Yes, 846, 847, 848. First number start with 300s. Second number start with 500s. Third number start with 100. Fourth number start with 800s. Ones, tens, hundreds. Okay, 362. Read this number. 363. 364. 365. Now read this number. 574. 575. 576. 577. Next, 193. 194. 195. 196. 845. 846. 847. 848. Here we write 3 numbers that come after. We write the numbers in order. You also complete here in your textbook this full page. Exercise 4A. Next, table of 8. Are you learned? I think you all are get the table of 8. 8 ones are 8. 8 twos are 16. 8 threes are 24. 8 fours are 32. 8 fives are 40. 8 sixes are 48. 8 7 is 56, 8 8 is 64, 8 9 is 72, 8 10 is 80. Now open your textbook, open your homework book, Nana. Open your homework book. I give you homework. Copy down and complete the homework. Okay? Come on, open your HW books. Ready, children? Fourth chapter, numbers up to 1000. Homework. Come on, note down. First one, write the number name. Okay? A 3 6 8, B 5 7 9, C 8 3 2. Write the number names of these three numbers. Next, go to 2. Leave a line. Blanks. Blanks. Okay? 8 4 9 6 dash hundreds. Note down neatly. Dash hundreds. Dash tens. I think you get idea. Dash ones. First note down. After that, complete the homework. Question B. 9 3 1. Again put the blanks. How many hundreds? How many tens? And how many ones? Come on, note down neatly, my dear children. Blanks. When we are going to fill up the blanks or number names, first we have to keep the places above the numbers. Then you get idea. Next, C. 1 9 5. How many hundreds? How many tens? And how many ones in the given number? Next, 3. Third question. Write the numerals. Numerals means numbers. You write the number for the given number name. F5 5. Come on. 100. TH IR TY TH REE. Write down 533. You write the number. Put the places and write the number correctly. Next one. EIGHT 8. HUNDRED 100. NINETY 890. Next, C. Shall I write this also? Okay, thank you. C. 200 16. Write the numeral. Okay, my dear children. Next, fourth one. Write table of 8. Table of 8 2 times. Write table of 8 2 times. Okay, my dear children. You write the homework and send my WhatsApp number. Okay, I check your homeworks. Take care. Thank you very much. Bye.